Good day, everyone. I am Michelle Sudiakay, and I am tasked to present the introduction, purpose, materials, and methods, as well as the conclusion.
I am Glycy Jane Palen and I will be discussing the definition of IoT technology, the brief historical retrospect, and the weather monitoring and forecasting system using IoT.
And I am Christine Borinaga and I will be discussing about IoT-based pest controlling system for smart agriculture, robotics IoT and EI in the automation of agriculture industry, and water management in agriculture.
Our review paper aimed to explore how IoT applications have transformed conventional farming methods, resulting in improved efficiency, sustainability, and productivity in agriculture. What is IoT technology in agriculture? IoT technology in agriculture involves using smart devices, sensors, and data analytics to optimize farming practices. Through the deployment of IoT devices like soil sensor and automated irrigation system, farmers can monitor real-time data on weather, soil condition, and crop health. This information is analyzed to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, leading to improved efficiency, resource management, and higher crop yields. The integration of IoT in technology and agriculture aims to enhance sustainability, productivity, and overall farm management. Introduction. The Internet's broad use over the past 2 decades has offered countless advantages to business and people everywhere. The capacity to create and consume services in real time was these innovations' main advantages. IoT, which stands for Internet of Things, deployment in agriculture is considered the ideal solution because in this area there is a need for continuous monitoring and controlling. In field of agriculture, IoT is used at different levels in the agriculture industrial production chain by Medela Sendon 2013. One of its key advantages has been the ability to provide and access services in real time, leading to increased efficiency and convenience. Recently, the emergence of IoT has further expanded the horizon of possibilities. With its innovation technologies, IoT holds the promise of delivering similar real-time benefits while also transforming the working environment to enhance user perception and capabilities, spanning various domains such as healthcare, retail, traffic, security, smart homes, smart cities, and agriculture. IoT has demonstrated its versatility and potential for improving diverse industries. In agriculture, IoT stands out as an ideal solution due to the continuous monitoring and controlling requirements in this sector. Already, IoT is being leveraged at different levels within the agricultural production chain, signifying its meaningful impact and potential for further advancement in optimizing productivity and resource management. So, recent technological advancement in areas relevant to the Internet of Things have facilitated the easier adoption and implementation of smart farming solutions. It optimized power consumption of IoT devices and overall hardware enhancements. With this development, IoT applications in agriculture are becoming more practical, efficient, and accessible, promising greater efficiencies, sustainability, and productivity in agricultural sector. Materials and methods. The method of literature review was used in the study. It also included articles and publications that are related to the theme. What is more, this study has drawn information on researches and publications that are taken from Google Scholar, The keywords that were used in the search were Internet of Things, agriculture, Internet of Things technology, agricultural application, devices, or sensors. The literature review was conducted from July 22 to July 26, 2023.
Now I'm gonna define what is IoT technology. The basic idea of the IoT is that virtually every physical thing in this world can also become a computer that is connected to the internet. To be more accurate, things do not turn into computers, but they can feature tiny computers. When they do so, they are often called smart things because they can act smarter than things that have not been tagged. IoT technology has broad applications across various fields such as smartphone homes, industrial automation, healthcare, agriculture, and transportation, transforming how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It is a network of interconnected physical devices that exchange data and interact over the internet, often involving automation in real time. The brief historical retrospect. Since humans adopted an agrarian lifestyle, technical developments have made it possible for agriculture to evolve, leading to a large variety and yield of crops. Agriculture, however, is at a unique time in its history as society deals with the effects of climate change and the social difficulties that follow. Recent developments in several important technologies have put agriculture on the verge of another evolution that could have an impact to not only a crop variety and production but also on climatological and societal results because they will use technology, modern farms, and agricultural businesses will operate differently. The concept of the Internet of Things in agriculture, also known as smart farming or precision agriculture, emerged at the onset of the 21st century as technology advanced and internet connectivity became more accessible and ubiquitous. The evolution of Internet of Things in agriculture began in the early 2000 with GPS tech for field and mapping yield monitoring. By the late 2000, smartphones and wireless connectivity allowed remote monitoring and control of equipment. In the year 2010, affordable sensors lead to widespread use of soil sensors and weather stations. The integration of big data, AI, and IoT became prevalent with the late year 2010, with the year 2020 witnessing further automation and supply chain enhancements via IoT. As we continue to innovate and develop this technology, IoT is poised to revolutionize agriculture further into the coming year. Weathering, monitoring, and forecasting system using IoT. The suggested system is an improved weather monitoring solution that employs IoT to make real-time data easily available across a large area. Using several sensors, the system monitoring weather and climatic changes such as temperature, humidity, wind speed, moisture, light intensity, UV radiation, and even carbon monoxide levels in the air. These sensors deliver data to a web page where it is plotted as graphical statistics. The weather monitoring and forecasting system using IoT consists of interconnected sensors that collect real-time data on weather parameters like temperature, humidity, and wind speed. This data is transmitted via wireless networks to a central server where it's analyzed with algorithm to predict future weather conditions. Users access this information through web interfaces or apps, and in some systems, this data can trigger automated responses like activating heaters or irrigations in smart farming.
And now I will be discussing about IoT-based pest controlling system for smart agriculture. The main objective of the system is to aware the farmers about the pest and condition of the agricultural field. The proposed system is a best alternative to chemical pesticides and can able to reduce the manual labor of monitoring the agricultural field. Therefore, this proposal would help the farmers to increase their crop production by automated pest management at low cost and ensures a healthy food. So the main objective of the system is to raise awareness among farmers about the presence of pests and the overall condition of their agricultural fields. The proposed system represents an excellent alternative to using chemical pesticides as it is designed to significantly reduce the need for manual labor in monitoring the fields. By implementing this system, farmers would be able to embrace automated pest management techniques, thereby optimizing their crop production while keeping costs low. As a result, this proposal holds the potential to ensure a healthier and more sustainable food production process for the farmers and consumers alike. Robotics, IoT, and AI in the automation of agricultural industry. Environmental monitoring system help in obtaining rapid, precise, and consistent measurements necessary in precision agriculture, hence promoting the growth of automation in the agricultural area. The technology utilized to automate the agricultural production cycle is at the heart of farm automation, which serves as the first pillar of smart farming. Extensive research reveals that the emergence of drones, autonomous tractors, robotic sowing and harvesting, and drip or sprinkler irrigation is accelerating the automation of easy and monotonous jobs. So, environmental monitoring systems play a crucial role in modern agriculture, particularly in precision agriculture, by providing rapid, precise, and consistent measurements. These systems are essential for gathering accurate data related to various environmental factors that affect crop growth and health. By utilizing such technology, precision agriculture can optimize its processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity in the agricultural sector. Water management in agriculture. Agriculture is heavily reliant on our capacity to utilize available water resources efficiently. Among the most important, there are water management difficulties recently. Innovative technologies have improved water management and monitoring in agriculture. Internet of Things, wireless sensor networks, and cloud computing have been used in diverse contexts in agriculture. By concentrating on the whole water management dilemma, current efforts are being made to optimize water use while also boosting the quality and amount of agricultural output crops, while requiring as little direct human interaction as possible. Agriculture, being a critical sector for food production and livelihoods, heavily depends on the efficient utilization of available water resources. However, water management has become a significant challenge in recent times due to various factors such as climate change, population growth, and increasing water scarcity. In response to these difficulties, innovative technologies have emerged, leading to substantial improvements in water management and monitoring practices within the agricultural industry.
This technological advancement not only ensures a more secure and productive agricultural industry, but also demonstrates a commitment to environmental consciousness. Through collaborations and knowledge sharing, farmers, researchers, and developers technology have collectively expanded their expertise, fostering innovation and continuous improvements in the sector. The incorporation of IoT in agriculture marks a significant milestone in the progression of modern farming practices, propelling the industry towards a future that is both technologically advanced and ecologically responsible. Thank you for your attention. I'm eager to hear your thoughts, questions, and engage in the discussions about the incredible possibilities that IoT technology brings to agriculture. Thank you for listening.